Hlale kwentokozo ukuthi sikhulume nawe kuyi-channel kama upastor weningi udaba olamaphupho. Subscribe kuyi-channel bese uqinisekisa ukuthi ke awusubscribe bese uyahamba, usubscribe bese uyahlala kuba sekhaya. Ubeka isitulo uhlale phansi. Yabona. Visit i-channel yakho le from time to time. Amaphupho hleza khona. Inamba yami khona abantu bayakwazi befone kuyona. Kodwa qinisekisa ukuthi ke ufake airtime ungangi-WhatsApp please. Abantu they continue WhatsApping me and I don't know ukuthi because I always leave instruction ukuthi ngifonele. And even ku number ilapha ngibhalile on screen ukuthi no WhatsApp. Ekugcineni makuphela video ngibhalile no WhatsApp 3 calls and ngiyasho, but abantu they continue WhatsApping me. I don't know why. Abantu banendlela yokusebenza and they indlela zabo abasenza ngazo bayafuna ihlonishwe, but omunye umuntu manendlela yokusebenza abafuni ukuthi bayilande, bafuna ukulandela le befunwa yibo bona. It's wrong, guys, it's wrong. Yabo? So sibheke iphupho lika Ntombi yenkosi. Inhlebela awuntombi yenkosi. Kaze ngafisa ukuyibona intombi yenkosi. Princess. So i-queen impela intombi yenkosi uthi queen. So amen pastor. Ngicela la ungichazele kusho ukuthini uphupha ke njalo usesitolo uyothenga impahla zokugqoka. Uphawuluhle. Usesitolo uthenga impahla ezintsha uphawuluhle. So asi break it down kanje. Into oqala singayisho ukuthi uma uphupha nje izimpahla ezintsha isali uyayibona uma uyasithenga uphawu sokulusho ulindele ukuba nenhlanhla. Lindela ukwenza izinguquko ezinhle. Lindela ukuba nekusasa elingcono. Lindela ukuba nodumo mhlawumbe noma kuzoba isimo sakho sizokuba ngcono. Noma ungahle uthola ukuhlonishwa, kungaphinde kukhombe ukuthuthuka nje kwempilo okwenzakalayo noma ukuthuthuka kwesithunzi sakho, ngabe ukuthuthuka kokuzethemba, kungasho nenjabulo noma impumelelo. So okwesibili singakusho thina uma uphupha ke izimpahla ezintsha ke manje sesingena sijula ukuthi uphawu olungasho ukulahla imikhuba emibi yokuphila emdala nokwenza ushintsho olufanele noludingakalayo phambi kaNkulunkulu. uEphesians 4 verse 22 uthi ke you were taught with regard to your former way of life to put off your old self which is being corrupted by its deceitful desires, to be made new in attitude of your minds and put on new self created to be like God in true righteousness and holiness. Number 3, uma uphupha impahla ezintsha uphawu ngasho ukuthi mhlawumbe usuthatha isinqumo sokufihla amaphutha, sokufihla amahlaza akho, sokufihla amanyala okade wenza esikhathini esendlule. uGenesis 3 verse 7 ithi then eyes of both of them were opened and they realized they were naked, so they sewed fig leaves together and made coverings for themselves. Yabona. Kanti ke sithi sinokwesine uma uphupha la impahla ezintsha uphawu ngabuye lusho ukuthi empeleni uNkulunkulu uzolifihla ihlazo lakho futhi uzokuvikela. Ngoba uGenesis 33 verse 21 uthi and the Lord God made for Adam and for his wife garments of skins and clothed them. Number 5, uma uphupha la izimpahla ezintsha uphawu ngabe lusho lindele isikhathi senjabulo ke, lindele isikhathi sensindiso kanye nezibusiso zodwa empilweni yakho. Isaiah 61 verse 10 ithi the Lord makes me very happy and all that I am rejoices in my God. He has covered me with clothes of salvation and wrapped me with a coat of goodness, like a bridegroom dressed for his wedding, like a bride dressed in jewels. Number 6, uma uphupha impahla ezintsha futhi thina singathi kuwe uPaul ngaba luhle ngoba uma uyigqoka lusho uthi ngeze kusuthathe mhluphi isinqumo sokushiya mhluphi isono, waqoka ukuzalwa kabusha nokuba isidalwa esisha ngenxa yensindiso. uRomans 13 verse 14 ithi ke but clothe yourself with Lord Jesus Christ and forget about satisfying your sinful self. Siyaphetha kuma sithi thina uma uphupha impahla ezintsha uPaul lusho ukuphela kosizi nokuthi lindela ke isikhathi senjabulo nokunethezeka esizayo. Psalms 30 verse 11 to 12 uthi ke you changed my soul into dancing, you took away my clothes of sadness and clothed me
esweni phansi lemadolo baba khuleka kuyo Jesu